So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find one bedroom homes for sale here on Redfin. So once Redfin's opened up, I'm just going to go ahead and use Chicago as my location for this example. And if your location's entered, go ahead and press on search. Now, once you're here, if you want to refine your search to specifically look for one bedroom homes for sale, go to the top left to where it says beds slash baths, press on the drop down. Now, where it says beds, go ahead and tap on one right here. Now, if you tap on it just once, it'll go one plus bed. If you're looking for one bedroom specific, double tap it again, make sure that this is the only one selected, and if all looks good, go ahead and press on done. And now your search is going to be refined to one bedroom unit. So you can go ahead and scroll, the location. You can also remove the outline if you want to expand your location. Whatever the case may be, it's right in front of you guys in regards to how to find one bedroom homes for sale here on Redfin. So super straightforward, super simple, and I hope this video helps.